The East Daily Download is sponsored this week by the following.
My name is Dr. Cassie Johnson, and I'm a family medicine and primary care sports medicine physician here at the James D. Bernstein Community Health Center. August is here, and believe it or not, that means school sports are starting. In my practice, I talk with parents and children about the importance of sports. Playing sports is a good way to do that, to stay active and healthy. We make our own decisions as adults, but our children look really to us to help them make good choices. So today, I want to share with you 5 of my fast and hard rules for playing sports and how to keep your children healthy. 1, make sure your child gets a preseason physical. If they're not healthy before they play sports, then they have a higher chance of injury. And once your child starts playing sports, encourage them to be honest and open with you about any pain or discomfort that they have, because treating an injury early is very essential. 2, talk to your child about sports that they enjoy playing and allow them to play more than one sport. The bodies of young athletes are in the process of growing and developing, so if they focus solely on one aspect of a game and they're constantly putting stress on those muscles and those joints, it can be harmful. But if they play baseball and basketball, for example, they're getting much needed exercise and they're not overstressing any one muscle or muscle groups. 3, stress the importance of preparing their bodies to perform. You wouldn't expect your car to start right up and run without gas and oil. So a person's body, especially a young child, won't perform at its best level if you don't warm up, cool down, hydrate well, and eat a balanced diet. 4, emphasize always following proper form with each sport. Young football players need to know how to tackle correctly, and football and baseball players need to know how to catch and throw balls correctly. Doing it incorrectly just one time could result in an injury. 5, make sure your child has the appropriate sports equipment for what sport they are playing. For instance, in baseball and football, it's important that the child is wearing a helmet to protect their heads from serious and lifelong injury. And if your child is hurt, make sure he or she follows up with the guidelines for recovery. This is especially important for concussions because they can have long-term effects if not treated correctly initially. Sports are a great way to stay happy and healthy. Just make sure your child plays safely. We look forward to serving you and all your healthcare needs.
The East Daily Download is sponsored this week by the following.